Hi guys, Max from MZ Dynamic here again with another little pretty basic tutorial this time. Um, I wanted to show the difference between pages and posts and also kind of show how to use post categories to create more fluid pages, essentially mini blog pages. Um, Seems to come in handy sometimes, so figured I'd make a little video about it. So just really quick, the difference between pages and posts is not so night and day as you might expect. Pages are pretty much the general content pages, like an about page, something that you don't change very often unless you're updating like a resume or something like that. A contact page with the contact information and contact forms. And then you've got, you might have like a specialty page or something like that, which has static elements that you're really not changing. And then you've got the posts, which actually show up in a blog role. So these are the pages that I currently have within this basic website. And for posts, I've got 6 sample posts. Now, if we go to that main page, you'll see that the 6 posts, well, at least the last 3 of them, will show up on the main page in a blog role. If we go to blog, they'll all show up and like get this nice page and whatnot. And then you go in, and your posts will have social media stuff maybe, or just very kind of general content in sidebars and whatnot. They'll have comments, and some people put comments on pages, but usually you don't see that unless it's a post. And post is like something that you want to write about, like an article, whereas a page is more um, like a like a general page about the whole magazine. So that's the difference between those. And then you also have in posts you also have categories. So if this is post number 6, and we use let's just create a new category. And we'll call this a let's call it MZ Dynamic. So that's the new category. And then you'll see that if we update this and go back to posts, sample 6 is the only one that has the category MZ Dynamic, right? So now what we want to do is we want to go to Appearance and Menus, and we can just click and add a category. So we're going to add MZ Dynamic, add that to the menu, and we'll put this under here. Now, as you see, I've already added the category uncategorized, and that's just to kind of show them off, get them all going. And I'm actually going to delete this one. This is the link to MZ Dynamic itself, but just so that we don't get confused. So now let's go back over here and refresh this to update the menu, and you'll see that there's uncategorized and MZ Dynamic, and these are both category links. So if I click on MZ Dynamic, only the one post that has the category MZ Dynamic shows up. And it shows up as an excerpt. You can change that to being full content if you want, and that's how that works. And then if you go to uncategorized, that shows all the posts because all of them are technically uncategorized except this one. So click on this, goes to MZ Dynamic, all the posts that have that category. And this is a page. This is now a page called A Basic, which is the name of the theme, category, and MZ Dynamic. And it's its own page. It's a designated page. So if you wanted to create a page that had all the content, instead of updating that page constantly, say you make a new lesson, or you find a new video that you want to post that just gets posted to a specific category, instead of making a page for that and then updating that page every time, you can actually organize your content much better just by adding a category in a post and then linking that post category to the menu. And then you've created a fluid page that holds only content that shares that category title. So I hope that this has helped you. Again, leave any questions and comments that you have in the comments below. And I am Max from MZ Dynamic, and have a good day.